Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor. For this basic Hangul content, we're going to learn how Hangul is basically formed and learn some vocabularies with this principle. In the last videos, you learned total 10 standard vowels. A, Ya, O, Yo, O, Yo, U, U, I. From today, you are going to learn diphthongs, and it consists of 2 videos. First, we are going to study E, Ye, Wa, We. Today, let's begin.
에, 예, 에, 예, 와, 왜.
For the diphthongs as well, when you pronounce the vowels, you use yin for the consonant to make the letter. Let's practice one at a time. E, Ye, Wa, We. Good job! Diphthongs are quite more difficult to pronounce than standard vowels, but you can express a variety of sounds with them. Hangul is phonetic, and we can make any kind of letters based on what we hear with consonant plus vowel. Let's meet in another diphthongs video again. Thanks for watching. Bye!